and I personally spoke to the company themselves, asking them like how long does it take to actually see results. Hey guys, so I just wanted to quickly stop by and introduce to you guys the Grow Band Pro. I think you guys will be interested with what I have to say about this gadget, and this video is not sponsored, but they did send me this product or this gadget to try out, and I've got some things to say. Now, a lot of us struggle with hair growth, hair loss. My hair won't grow, my hair is shedding, look, balding, female pattern balding, male pattern balding, you name it. This is the gadget that you may be looking for. Now, what is it exactly? Well, this is the Grow Band Pro. As you can see, comes beautifully packaged with its case of its own, so you can easily carry it wherever you're going, if you're traveling, what have you. I'm gonna show you what's inside real quick. But pretty much what it is a massager, a scalp massager. As you know, the main thing when it comes to hair loss or just not growing your hair or hair falling out, usually it all has to do with blood circulation or blood supply to the scalp or the follicles. And that's what this gadget aims to do. So before I get into the nitty-gritty of what it does and how it works, etc., I'm just going to show you what's inside, okay? Are you ready? All right, so here we go. So nothing too complicated in here. It comes with easy instructions for you to follow, and you know how to use it and all that kind of stuff. And then it does have a little tube or cable. So we're gonna connect that real quick and I'm gonna show you how it works. It comes with this little box thing that you can actually pin to your pants, and you can walk around with the Grow Band Pro as it massages your scalp. So you don't have to be stationary in the same place as you get your scalp massages. And of course, you don't have to be sitting there with your hands, okay? So talk about a soft life. And of course, guys, the main gadget, the main event is actually this little thing here that looks like nothing, but this is really what's going to grow your hair, or that's going to stimulate hair growth. Now it comes with the little screw at the back just to help you adjust to your head, and it pretty much sits about 1 centimeter or so above, just above your eyebrows, so right around there. So all you need is to just connect it quite securely. Grab the other portion, this portion, and just pop it on there. And you're done, ready to go. It's got a little switch here. And all you need to do is press start when you're ready to go, or when you're ready to have your massage. You can sort of set it up to your preference, you know, depending on how much inflation or deflation you want and how long you want your massages to be, but at least 10 minutes per day is all you need to get the effects or the full effects of this gadget. All right, so all we do is press that button there. All right, so pretty much how it works is that it inflates and deflates. So I'm just gonna show you in the inside. All around here. Now that we have unboxed the Grow Band Pro, I'm just gonna tell you what it does. So what it does is that it stimulates blood flow to the scalp. How does it do this? By, of course, inflating and deflating. It pulls the muscles and just encourages blood flow to the scalp. It releases tension around the scalp area, and it also relaxes the muscles as well. All these guys will aid in hair growth in the end, because the more blood flow you have to your scalp, the more nutrients are delivered to your follicle, the thicker, the longer, the faster your hair is gonna grow. And you can get all this done just 10 minutes a day. We all know that scalp massages are pretty much Bible when it comes to hair growth. I don't believe in a lot of concoctions and mixtures. I mean, they do work, some of them work. However, it takes a long time, and it's a long time of consistency, as in you can't play around with the consistency. So for me, I mean, are you going to be consistent for like 6 months of scalp massages with your hair growth oil? Or are you more comfortable to commit to something automatic like this, where it does the massage as you're sort of maybe sitting on the couch or having a cup of tea or just lounging, whatever, in bed, you name it. You can do chores while this massages your scalp. So you actually don't have to be stationary in order for you to get this working. So this little bad boy here is gonna treat shedding, hair loss, male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness. If you've tried everything and you're sort of thinking, okay, there's nothing wrong with me, however, there's still an issue here, or, you know, particularly with aging, right? The older we get, the less blood flow that actually comes to the scalp. That's research-based. So this will sort of help to encourage blood flow back into the scalp area, particularly here at the top. Another thing, guys, about hair loss is that there is something called scalp tension. As you can imagine, particularly at the top of your head here, it's the highest point of your body. So gravity automatically is just gonna take blood away from here and everywhere else. That's how come a lot of us have issues at the crown area, particularly myself included. My crown has never been copacetic, okay? It's always struggled. And part of the problem is just because there's reduced blood supply to the crown. So why is this different from things like, you know, hair growth remedies or concoctions or, I don't know, what have you, minoxidil? A lot of us have heard about minoxidil. Minoxidil is one that I've asked or told some naturals to use, and they've seen improvement. However, it's something that you have to keep doing, and there is side effects, and, you know, I don't know. Can you do it forever? Like for your lifetime, always remembering, oh, I have to do this, and once you stop, then the hair falls out kind of thing. With this one, it actually treats hair loss at its core, because while it's encouraging blood flow to the scalp, it also relaxes the muscles and relaxes the tension here at the scalp, so that your scalp is sort of returned to its optimum level, and it can begin to just grow hair as it used to before. So that is actually an advantage of using something like this. Another advantage is that there's no side effects, guys. I mean, the only side effect you might get is, I don't know, getting used to it. There might be some issues getting used to it, but once your head adapts and your body, your scalp adapts, there's really no side effects to this. You're not putting anything internally. You can do it in a very, very short time. So only 10 minutes required. You can do it for longer than 10 minutes if you like. However, you only need 10 minutes per day. And of course, it's hands-free. So you don't have to be holding it around or having your hands in there massaging. It does it all for you and more effectively. So for me, this is a good investment. Now, HairGuard, which is the company that makes this little gadget, they do offer international shipping. And I personally spoke to the company themselves, asking them, like, how long does it take to actually see results? Because it's one thing for me to come and talk to you about this, but if it's going to take a year to see results, I don't know how many of us can commit, because I think once you start seeing results, then you start getting motivated, right? So I did get a response, and the response that I was told was that obviously results differ depending on the extent of your hair loss, how long you've had the hair loss, etc. However, within a couple of months, you will start to see results. So give it 3 good months of daily use, and then you should start to see results. The good thing about this company is that you can return. There is a money back guarantee, so you can return this if you think, okay, it's not working well. Yeah, I'm done, take it away. You can return this. If you return it like before they even ship it, then you can get more money back. However, if you've used it for a few days or what have you, there's a percentage that you lose. However, you still get the majority of your money back with this gadget. Now, guys, this gadget is super, super popular. So I would encourage you to register for their waiting list, because that is, I guess, the best way to get notified when it's back in stock. And once you register, you get notified once it's back in stock, and you get $100 off. Okay, so we love a discount. It is an investment, so you do want to take advantage of that discount. All right, so register. There'll be a link below for you guys if you're interested. All right, guys, so I hope this one was helpful. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried it before. Let me know what sort of hair loss, hair shedding, female, male pattern baldness, whatever hair loss or, hair thinning issues that you may be facing, and let's talk all about that in the comment section. Until next time, it's Coily Diaries. Bye.